Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this paper palm fronds. These dry fronds and pampas grass aesthetic are all over the place, so I thought to share a tutorial on how to make these palm fronds. I made two variations, the large and the small, so please let me know which of the two you prefer. Consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed to this channel yet, and let's jump right into the tutorials. So we're making use of brown paper. So for this first one, I folded the brown paper into two. This for the large one, and I'm trying to outline the shape of a leaf. I know what I'm drawing doesn't look like a leaf, but that's like what I'm trying to envision. Eventually it's going to look like a leaf. So I outlined that and I'm cutting it out. So after cutting, I realized I wasn't so satisfied with the shape, so I'm actually like cutting again. So for this, you can actually play with any shape you want, but this is the shape like going for. So once I was satisfied with that, I just started folding in accordion, just folding back and forth, just like you can see in the video. So I just continued folding, just fold as much, and you can make the foldings wide, you can make it smaller, it depends on you, but I think I wanted mine to be smaller so that the pleats will be more. And yeah, so this is the end result of what I folded. Now I'm just going to open it out and cut out the excess underneath. Right, so I'm going to be attaching my branch, my stem. Yeah, no, it's my branch. Yeah, I'm attaching my branch using a kebab stick and the hot glue to attach it, and then I'm just going to secure it firmly with the paper that I cut out from the main paper initially. And that's pretty much all I had to do for this tutorial. So I just wanted to make the edges more defined, to look more like palm fronds, right? So I'm cutting off the edges. So that's it, guys. Moving straight to the next tutorial. We're working with a rectangle, and I'm just going to fold just like we folded the other time. The only difference is that we're not cutting out any deep shape in this second one. I'm just going to keep folding till everything is completely folded. I would now open it out and fold into two, and then cut my leaf shape out of the folded paper, just like you can see in the video. So I'm just going to hold the down part together, and then cut the middle portion of the paper. This one is not compulsory, so it depends on you and how you want your palm frond to look, but I really wanted it to be more detailed and defined, so that's why I'm cutting the middle portion. Now you want to put your branch, so you can either use a skewer, a wooden skewer, a bamboo skewer, or a kebab stick. Because it's small, I'm using the smaller bamboo skewer. Now I'm just going to cover it up with paper just to make it more solid, and to also make the stem more detailed, like so it looks like an actual palm frond. And that's pretty much all I had to do. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you subscribe to this channel. Till next time, bye bye.